Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Gully. So ST is down again. So yesterday I had to go to work to take care of some things, and I came back to the crib to come get my keys for work. I had my daytime running lights on, parked in the driveway. I get out the car. I left the daytime running lights on because I was literally going in the house, grab my keys, and come right back out. But even with that, the way the STs work is, even when you shut the ignition off with those lights on, the fog lights shut off, and the only thing that stays on is your tail lights and then the little LED eyebrow looking lights. Okay, so I go in the crib. I was in there for no more than 5 minutes. I come back out, and boom, battery completely dead. I'm trying to figure out how possibly my battery died just that fast, but I go and grab the multimeter, put the multimeter on there, and it's giving me like 12.2 volts, which means the battery is completely dead. So I jump it, take all the cables off, put the multimeter back on there while the car is running. I'm getting 14.7 volts, which means that the alternator is actually putting out power. So good, the alternator's good, I don't have to worry about that. So I let it run for a long time, let it charge up. I shut the car off, put the multimeter on there, and it was reading 12.8 volts, which means it's charged. But as it sat there, the voltage just kept dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. So that tells me that battery's no good, and it's not actually holding a charge. It's taking a charge, but it's not holding a charge. So those are the three things you really should look for. You should look for it if your alternator is putting out charge, if the battery is taking a charge, and if the battery is holding a charge. So with the car sitting there with nothing on, the voltage was just rapidly dropping. So I think I let it sit there for 30 minutes or so. I checked it, and it had dropped almost to like 12.3 volts. So alright, so we need to jump the car right now, drive it up there to Advanced Auto so they can verify that the battery is no good. And yeah, now I gotta buy a whole new battery, which is gonna cost me almost $200, but it is what it is. So I went to both Advanced Auto and AutoZone, and both of their testers came back good. So it kind of leads me to believe that maybe we might have an electrical problem. Something is shorting out and is causing the car to pull power from the battery even when it's off. That means that the good old ST is probably going back to the shop. I tried checking all the fuses and all that good stuff, and everything seems to be fine. The only thing I can really say is I was having problems with my horn. I've had issues with the horn like intermittently working since I had this car, but this last week it had completely stopped working. The weird thing about it is yesterday when I jumped the car, the horn started working again. So if it is a shortage in the system somewhere, hopefully the horn is the cause of it, because that way we don't have to go searching through all these wires to try to figure out what's causing the short. Hopefully that is the source of the short, and we go straight to the root cause of it and take care of it. So let me just have a medium double.
Was that all?
That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, 186.
Good morning. You too. Alright, so it really hasn't gotten any worse. I would think if it's a battery that it would have completely failed by now, but it's still doing exactly what it was doing a week ago. I mean, it's no different, no worse. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully I have a solution by the next time I upload another video. Until then, just stay tuned, and yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. So peace.